Hi friends, in the previous video we have discussed about some tips to avoid paper rejection. In this video I want to give some tips to write research proposal because some of the subscribers are asking to do a small video on research proposal also, because in the coming days several universities are giving PhD admission. So for the interview they might be asking this research proposal. So here I am including 5 tips to write the research proposal. The first one is, the research proposal should consist of the title, which should be precise and concise and can be easily understandable by the interview panel members. The second one is abstract. The abstract should be around 150 words, minimum of 150 words, and it should contain the objective of your research work. What is your research methodology? What are the tools you require for implementing this methodology? Or what are the materials or equipment you require? And the next one is, what are the expected results? So all these 4 important parameters should be there in the abstract. The third one is, a good literature survey has to be done and it should be included in your research proposal, which should consist of at least 20 articles with their methodologies, limitations and applications. And these 20 articles should be from standard journals and international conferences. The fourth one is research methodology. It may include how much or how you carry out the research work, like mathematical derivations, modifying the previous models and observing on various platforms, implementing new models and their applications. And the fifth one is plan of action. This is very important. A clear plan of action has to be given or has to be described in the research proposal. For example, duration for pre-PhD coursework, it may be 6 months or 1 year. You have to include that. The next one is duration for literature survey and defining the problem statement. For example, 6 months or 1 year, you need to indicate that. Next one, duration for meeting the expected results of the research work. It may be 1.5 year or 1 year. And duration for article writing and publishing. This may take around 3 to 5 months. And duration for thesis preparation. This may take around 3 to 5 months. So a complete plan of action should also be given along with the research proposal. If you are willing to join as a part-time scholar, then the maximum duration should be around 4 to 5 years. And if you are willing to join as a full-time scholar, the maximum duration should be around 3 to 4 years. The plan of action should be written in such way. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe and share.